Hello students, welcome back again for one more video based on maximum and minimum value of a function or extreme value of a function. In the last video we have discussed one example based on extreme value of the function. This is the second example. As we people already aware that what is the procedure to find out the maximum value and the minimum value of a function. First we have to find out the stationary function or stationary points by taking fx equal to 0 and fy equal to 0. Next we are finding the value of ABC. ABC are the partial derivative, that is second order partial derivative with respect to x, y and xy, and also find AC minus B square. Further, AC minus B square is greater than 0 and A is less than 0 at stationary point x1, y1. We call it as a maximum point, and f of x1, y1 is called the maximum value. Similarly, AC minus B square is greater than 0 and A value is also greater than 0 at x1, y1. Then f is a maximum point and f of x1, y1, the stationary point, is the minimum value. Okay. Now let us discuss one example based on this. Again, it is simple example, students. It's very easy. Okay, fine. Now find the extreme value of the function f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. So as usual, we know the procedure very well, that write f of x comma y as it is. Then you differentiate f with respect to x and y partially. Okay. So what is fx? Differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus differentiation of 3xy square is with respect to x. With respect to x is just 3y square. 3x square is minus 6x. And 3y square is 0 and 4 is 0. With respect to y, x cube is 0. Here you will get 3 2s or 2 3s 6xy minus this is 0, this is minus 6y. Next, to find the stationary points, what we are doing, we are going to take fx equal to 0 and fy is equal to 0. Fx is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6 equal to 0, and call it as equation number A, and 6xy minus 6y equal to 0. From this equation you can take 6y outside, we'll get x minus 1 equal to 0. 6 is a constant, it will never 0, only thing is y is equal to 0. Okay, you have to remember 6 never 0. Y is 0 and x minus 1 is 0. X minus 1 is 0 means x equal to 1. Now we are going to substitute these two values in the equation number A, okay, to find the points. Substitute first y is equal to 0 here. Y is equal to 0 means 3x square. This is 0 minus 6x equal to 0. Again 3x take common, you will get x minus 2 equal to 0. Again 3 will never 0, x equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Again minus 2 goes to right side, we will get x equal to 2. Similarly, when x is equal to 1, substitute x is equal to 1 here. 3 into 1, 1 square is 1, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 6 into 1 is 6, 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 3y square is as it is, minus 3 equal to 0. Again 3 take common, you will get y square minus 1 equal to 0, right? Further, you can transform minus 1 to right side, you will get y square equal to 1. So y is equal to plus or minus 1. So you will get 1 and minus 1. So what are the stationary points, student? Stationary points are, okay, here we have x is equal to 0. First write down x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, right? Next, x is equal to 2. Okay, x equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Okay, fine. Next, these are over. Okay, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Okay, still you don't have, okay, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Fine. Next, x is equal to 1. You can also take x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Next, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. These are the 4 points. Remember, you cannot take x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, but we have to take x and y only. For that, this is the procedure. Fine. Okay. Now, as we know already that the next step, we are finding the value of A, B, C. Value of A, B, C. Value of A, B, C. So A means fxx means dou square f by dou x square. So you already got the value of fx. You differentiate it again with respect to x. You will get 6x. This will become 0. Again minus 6. You differentiate fy with respect to y. What you will get? You will get 6x minus 6. That is f of y. You differentiate fy with respect to x. You will get a middle value. With respect to x is 6y. Then you write the stationary points 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1 as well as 1, minus 1. And in the vertical, you can write A, B, C and AC minus B square values. Further, you can substitute 0, 0 in the A. 6 into 0 is 0, you will get minus 6. Here, 6 into minus 2, 6 into 2 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 into 1, 1 minus, so 6 into 1 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Similarly, for this point, for x value is 1. 6 into 1 is 6 minus 6 is 0. Next, b value is 6y. Y is 0 here. This will become 0. Y is 0. Becomes 0. Y is 1. 6 into 1 is 6. Again, y is minus 1. It is minus 6. Next, calculate 6x minus 6. Again, for 0, you will get minus 6. 2, 0. X is equal to 2 means 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 1s are 6. Minus 6 is 0. Again, it is 0. Next, we are calculating AC minus B square. A value is less than 0 as per the value. Minus 6 is less than 0. 6 is greater than 0. Other two are 0 value. AC minus 6 minus 6 minus plus 6 6 is 36 and it is greater than 0. 6 is 36 greater than 0. These two are negative. So we know the condition for a maximum and a minimum. For a maximum, AC minus B square is greater than 0 and A is less than 0. Okay. Similarly, for the minimum value, AC minus B square is greater than 0 and A is greater than 0. So the maximum point of f is at 0, 0 and the minimum value, minimum point is at 2, 0. So you can substitute to find out the maximum value. Substitute x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 here. You will get 4 value. This is the maximum value. To find the minimum value, substitute x equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 here. You will get 0. Okay. So this is the way to find out maximum and minimum value of the function and verification. Thank you so much for watching, students. We will meet in the next video. Thank you once again.